Welcome to our video on memory storage and rehearsal. In this video, we'll explore how we retain information, the different types of memory storage, and the processes involved in maintaining and rehearsing memories. Understanding these concepts is crucial for mastering topics in AP psychology and improving your study habits. So, whether you're a dedicated student or just curious about how our minds work, stay tuned as we embark on this cognitive journey together. We'll break down complex ideas into manageable pieces to make learning both engaging and effective. Let's get started on discovering the fascinating world of memory storage and rehearsal. Let's dive into the different types of memory storage. First, we have sensory memory, which is the immediate and initial recording of sensory information. This memory type captures everything around us, but only for a brief moment. Next, we encounter short-term memory. This is where information is held temporarily before it's either forgotten or stored. Your short-term memory is like a mental notepad, useful for quick recall. Moving on, we have working memory, which actively processes incoming information along with data retrieved from long-term memory. It's the mental workspace that helps us manipulate and use information in real-time tasks, like solving math problems or holding a conversation. Finally, long-term memory is our brain's vast and relatively permanent storage system. Here, information is stored for potentially a lifetime, allowing us to recall past events, skills, and learned knowledge. Each of these memory storage types is vital in our daily lives, working together to help us navigate and respond to the world around us efficiently. Next, let's explore the techniques we use to prolong memory storage. First, there's maintenance rehearsal, which involves the simple repetition of information to keep it in our short-term memory for a longer period. This method helps reinforce the memory until it can be transferred to long-term storage. Another effective method is elaborative rehearsal. This technique involves linking new information to existing memories, creating meaningful associations that aid in long-term retention. By integrating these techniques, we can enhance our ability to store and recall information more effectively. Moving on, let's discuss the process of memory consolidation. Memory consolidation is the process by which memories become stable in the brain. When we learn something new, the memory trace initially formed is fragile. Over time, this process of consolidation stabilizes the memory, making it more permanent. This involves transferring memories from short-term to long-term storage, often occurring during sleep. Consolidation ensures that the learned information is efficiently integrated and retained, allowing us to recall it later. Understanding this process is crucial, as it emphasizes the importance of proper rest and repetitive review in strengthening our memories. Now, let's look at the biological processes involved in memory storage. The hippocampus, found in the limbic system, is essential in processing explicit memories for storage. This neural center plays a crucial role in organizing and storing memories that can be consciously recalled. Additionally, the formation and strengthening of neural connections help in consolidating these memories, making them more stable and accessible over time. Understanding these processes sheds light on the intricate workings of our brain, emphasizing how interconnected neural pathways and brain structures contribute to our ability to store and retrieve memories efficiently. Let's examine the limitations and impairments in memory storage. Conditions like retrograde and anterograde amnesia, Alzheimer's disease, and infantile amnesia affect how memories are stored and retrieved. Retrograde amnesia involves a loss of access to memories formed before a brain injury, while anterograde amnesia impedes the ability to create new memories after the injury. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive condition that leads to severe memory loss and cognitive decline, often affecting the elderly. Infantile amnesia refers to the inability to recall events from early childhood, a common phenomenon due to the brain's developmental processes. Understanding these conditions provides insight into the complexities and vulnerabilities of our memory systems. Finally, let's discuss the different types of long-term memory. Autobiographical memory and flashbulb memory are two important types that help us recall personal experiences and significant events. Autobiographical memory is about remembering personal experiences and events throughout our lives. Flashbulb memory, on the other hand, is a vivid and detailed recollection of an emotionally significant moment or event. By understanding these types of long-term memory, we can appreciate how our past experiences shape our current understanding and behaviors. To recap, we've covered the different types of memory storage, techniques to prolong memory storage, memory consolidation, biological processes, limitations and impairments, and types of long-term memory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more AP Psychology content. Your engagement helps us create more educational videos just for you. Check out these other videos for more on AP Psychology.